Hi guys, it's Lauren Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you guys something. There's a reason, take them to that sign, there's a reason we say no additives and no preservatives. There's a reason we do that, okay? This package of bread, I want you to look at it. Can you get a close-up on the date? If you can't see it, it says that it expired November 7 of 2021, okay? So what does that make it, about 6-7 months expired? It's about 6 or 7 months expired. Look at it. Looks and tastes just as good as it does when they first made it. So let me ask you something. If they put ingredients in this bread that prevents it from breaking down, do you really think you're going to be able to eat it and it's going to break down in your body? That's what additives and preservatives do. They line your digestive system. So you got your entire digestive system and they line it. It's just like, let me show you what it is. It's like a pipe full of gunk in it, okay? And what happens is the additives and preservatives produce that gunk. And then when you eat and you're eating, trying to eat healthy, your healthy food goes in and your body can't even absorb the nutrients from the healthy food you're eating because your digestive system is lined with crap. So that's what this food does. It detoxes you. That's what Healthy Treats Market does. It detoxes you so that all this gunk that's lining your digestive system is gone, okay? And then you start losing the weight. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Just because something is low calorie doesn't mean it's good for you or healthy for you. And when you can have stuff sitting on the shelf, having a super long shelf life, it's probably not, if it's not breaking down on the shelf, it's not gonna break down when you eat it either. Okay, that's what fake food is. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful when you're shopping, look for ingredients. One of the other things I tell everybody, a lot of times you buy keto bread at the store, okay? But you can make bread with gluten and call it keto. Read the ingredients, okay? You can eat gluten bread and it's keto and you're not gonna get healthy and you're not gonna lose weight. Because there's a reason people eat gluten-free, there's a reason a lot of people are allergic to gluten, and that's why everything here is grain-free, gluten-free. Okay guys, we love you. I just want to give you that one tip and hope that it educates you so that you're paying attention to the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And you can go online and watch videos and recipes and testimonies and place an order there if you don't live nearby. Thanks for watching. God bless.